Sunday the 14th of March, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day if you're watching, Mum. She won't be watching, and it's months later by the time it goes out. But we've got concrete coming on Wednesday. The concrete truck can come up this driveway here, but it's only got a kind of, it's like a chute at the back. It won't stretch all the way down here. Now, fortunately it's downhill to the trench, that helps. But I think the concrete lorry is probably going to be able to back in a bit here. So I think it's going to be dropping the concrete somewhere here, and it's got to get down there. So what I'm going to do is create it's like a chute, isn't it, right? I'm going to do it out of wood. I could just dig it out of the ground, but I don't think that's a good idea. The concrete will just be picking up some more, some more soil and mud. So I'm just going to build this out of the remaining plywood. Should be quite an easy job, but I'll do that this morning. Right, I think this should be pretty straightforward. Leftover plywood, sections of wood. Just started raining quite hard actually, and my camera just blew over in the wind, but it seems to be working, fingers crossed. So let's create a couple of chutes. This over. Okay, sits quite nicely. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to attach those on there. Okay, so there is concrete chute number one. Now, there are potentially gaps that might come from the flex in the wood, but when we install it, I'm probably going to bank it up with a bit of soil. Good. Okay, here's this really rotten beam here, but not rotten in the middle. Okay. Okay, it's a chute. It feels really sturdy. If I had a ball, I'd roll it down, but I don't. But I have a couple of pebbles. 2 attempts at this. 1. Knew that would happen. Come on. In the trench.
Well, spirits are up and confidence is high as we go into the big concrete pour. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see what happens next. Let's just say it doesn't all go entirely according to plan. See you next time.